Alright, well, we got some Subway. Sorry I have my phone like this. You all cannot see the food because my iPhone is no longer, you know. I gotta get all them videos off my phone. I got way too many videos on that iPhone. An update. I got rid of the old stove. We've been using a little oven stove from Walmart. And tomorrow, we're getting a new stove from Aaron's. I can't be paying. I don't have that kind of money. Well, I do have that kind of money, but I gotta think about other things. You know, food and stuff. So I'm paying on Aaron's because we just paid the bed off. It was only $60 left for the bed, so the bed is completely paid off. And whenever good time, we're going to get the old refrigerator, the old black refrigerator that's still in here. It don't work. But the thing about it, we already have one that does work. We just couldn't find someone to take it out. Now we got someone to take it out. Yep. And we also got the dryer. They don't work. We got us a portable dryer. We do. And we got us a portable washing machine. So the old black refrigerator that don't work, the dryer, and the washing machine that don't work. So I had the dryer and the washing machine. I had that. I got it from Aaron's. I had that since I first found out I was pregnant with my first son. So that dryer and the washing machine lasted a long time. Our son is 10 years old. I'm working on my life. And YouTube is the last thing on my mind right now. Yep. It really is. I gotta get Barbara Jean's bed together. Yeah, I do. Get that together. I gotta buy Barbara Jean a cooking set, a little oven, kitchen set thing. It's got stove, microwave, You know, the whole works. Then we got Easter egg hunt coming up. We got Easter coming up. I'm gonna buy them Easter eggs from TikTok. They got toys in them. We got so much stuff to do. Yeah, I do. And then I gotta sew all them footballs on that blanket and then sew all the ends to the blanket. Now I'll get paid to do that. I know this sandwich looks good to you, don't it? And I ordered my helmet. And I ordered wire clippers and stripped the copper tool. I got that. I can take the cans off, yeah. But the copper, I can wait on that. That'll be the last thing that I take off. Yeah. Collect all the copper and take it off. Oh, don't that look good? Don't that look good? You always put chips in it. Always. It ain't good if you don't put the chips in it. It's just like oozing out with good stuff. All that great stuff. Look at that. I call this a Scooby snack. Not a Scooby snack. A Scooby sandwich. Look at all the Scooby snack. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my gosh, I got it all over me. Oh my goodness. A Scooby sandwich. So yeah, YouTube is far thing from my mind right now. Man, this is messy. It's got black olive on top of it. Look at that. Oh, and the woman's been coming over here and giving us food. We didn't ask for it. We just bought her some pizza and her some. Yeah. Papa John's is doing a deal. You buy one, you get one free. I don't know if... Give me a minute. I don't know if it's doing in your area, but just to let you know. It's so delicious. Yeah. Oh, and YouTube has got a feature now where you go on your channel and below your name, you can see who is subscribed to you on the phone. That is so cool. So I was going on my main channel and subscribing to a few people that was subscribed to me. It's absolutely delicious. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. Oh, yeah. And also, I'll be doing some YouTube on my main channel whenever I get the time to do video clips of how beginner crochet tutorials on my video clips, because the video clips will be better. People get to see it more. So that's what I'm gonna do when I get time. But if you want to like vote for that, just go on my main channel. Yes or no. I'm gonna do it anyways. I just want y'all's opinion, you know. But I'm gonna do it anyways. Yes, I am. Y'all have an amazing day. God bless. Bye.